They say travel makes you rich in memories. But what makes it truly beautiful is not just the place, it's also the people you create the memories with. From the calming Arabian Sea and peaceful backwaters to houseboats, waterfalls, and sacred temples, Kerala feels like a deep breath you didn't know you needed. Ever wanted to disappear into nature? Just pack your bags and escape to Kerala. Hello all, welcome to another video of traveling. Today we are in Kerala. So we started from Hyderabad. We did not get direct trains from Hyderabad to Kerala or Thiruvananthapuram. So we had to book to Vijayawada first, Hyderabad to Vijayawada, and then from Vijayawada to Thiruvananthapuram. And we had a gap of 3 hours in Vijayawada. So we thought of going and take the blessings of Kanakadurga temple in Vijayawada, but we didn't had the opportunity because there was long queue. In 3 hours we couldn't take the darshan, so we stood in line, but since it was taking more time, so we returned back to the railway station and we boarded the train to Ernakulam. It was an experience. Next I'll try to visit again the Durga temple in Vijayawada. Hopefully next time I should take the darshan. Hello, we are going to Atirapalli waterfalls now. Once again, you are meeting Pavani.
Hey, hi.
So, if you remember, if you have seen our Ooty vlog, we are the same gang. Now we have planned a trip to Kerala. This is Lakshmi. Sadhana, she's in front. Anna, Cheetah, hi, bolo.
Hi.
Hi, this is our driver and tour guide. We are climbing down to see the waterfalls, and someone who is already climbing up telling that it's going to be a waste of sight. Let's go and see how is a waterfall.
Chala waste.
I
Got review from mother. It's chala waste, but don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, we'll see. And you, Sadhana, you are mentioning which song is shoot here.
Bahubali song.
Nandika ni Nandi. So this famous Bahubali song is shot here. In case you are wondering why we have these ugly faces in this vlog. Yeah, we did not bath from.
24 hours we are traveling.
Yeah, we did not bath. We are traveling since 24 hours, more than 24 hours. Yeah. And this is our first spot in our trip.
Look at our gorgeous faces.
Huh?
Gorgeous faces.
Yeah,
It's natural.
it's natural. We are beautiful.
Sometimes.
Naturally beautiful. So we are here at the Atirapalli waterfalls, which is also called Niagara of India. The water is not much flow. It's very small flow. It used to be like very large waterfall, but now the water is less. There is so much crowd here. It's filled with crowd. It's a waterfall. You can see. You have to wear good shoes or good slippers. You cannot wear sandals and come here. It's like a small trek. You have to reach the waterfall. You have to climb down and see waterfall and then climb up. There are full of stones. I'll show you. Like this. Carry your own water bottles. Keep yourself hydrated because it's going to be like a small trip. Don't throw these plastic bottles or plastic anywhere here. So today we didn't watch much. We went to Atirapalli waterfalls, and after that we came to Kochi. It became evening or night, as you can see. as we came to Kochi. So we are just exploring the Marine Drive here. The Christmas and New Year celebrations have already started here. It's all Christmas trees, 2026 decorations and all I could see here. And there are many people. It's mostly the celebration vibe. It's good. You can see. The trees are also decorated with lamps. It's good. I'm just walking peacefully here in the night after having my dinner. So we are just walking.
Hi, we are going for a boat now.
Ah,
so
we are going for boat.
experience also.
Yeah.
Yes, going for a boat ride.
Okay, we just entered into the boat. We are boating. Now we have started boating. It's 100 rupees per person. We are going to stay for 40 minutes in the boat. So people are dancing in the boat.
This is on the container ship terminal and Rajwan and Pushpa to first visit today.
We are in the juice town exploring the streets of Kochi. I met this guy who he started recently. He takes the photos and adds it on these newspapers. Nice meeting you. And I wish all the best. What's the judo? Magic. So, have taken ours. So whenever you are visiting Kochi, visit Akshay Kumar.
To Kochi Beach. Welcome to Kochi Beach.
Kochi streets, while I am walking, observed that most of the names or most of the streets are in Dutch. I could see the old European charm, colonial buildings here. So when I dug deep into the history of Kochi, I came to know that Dutch came here in the 17th century to Kochi. They mainly came for the spice trade here. Pepper was called the black gold here, and at that time Kochi was the world's richest spice trading center. The nets you are seeing behind me are the Chinese fishing nets. It is believed that the Chinese traders introduced these fishing nets here, and these fishing nets work on the formula of counterweights. Even today, the fishermen use these fishing nets to fish here. These are not just the fishing nets, these are a reminder that Kochi has always been the meeting point of cultures and stories across the seas. So we came to the Jatayu Earth Center, but there is again a long queue. Not sure if we are going to visit the Jatayu Earth Center. There is much crowd, and we have to reach the Varkala beach for sunset. That won't be possible if we are going to visit the Jatayu Earth Center. So we are skipping the Jatayu Earth Center because there is long queue. There is huge crowd. It's the Christmas and New Year holidays, so everyone are traveling like us. and because of time constraints we had to skip it. Now we are headed to Varkala beach to see the sunset. Today we are in Trivandrum and I am going to Padmanabha Swami temple. Currently I am at Padmanabha Swami temple. It took us more than 3 hours to take the darshan. There is so much crowd, but photography is not allowed inside the temple. So we have to wear the traditional wear. Girls come in saris or chudidars, and boys you have to wear the pancha or dhoti as the same tradition in Gokarna temple. So if you did not wear any traditional dress, if you are wearing jeans, then you have to buy pancha here and tie it around your waist. And there are so many people, it took us more than 3 hours for the darshan. The Vishnu is incredible here. Really blessed to have the darshan here.
ప్రసాదం ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 100 రూపాయలు. సో కేరళలో ఉన్న శబరిమల ప్రసాదం ఇది ఒకేలాగా ఉంది, టేస్ట్ అంటే సిమిలర్గా ఉంది.
So currently we are at Alapi boat house. You can see the views. Kerala is so beautiful. So now our boat house has started. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and let's see the views of Alapi boat house. Whoever comes to the Alapi, they will definitely try the boat house, and I have seen many videos on YouTube and Instagram. I wanted to try the boat house in Alapi, so here I am. Let's check out the views. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us till the end of the video. Happy traveling, guys.
See you on next travel.
See you next travel. Happy traveling. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Please follow Discover With Me 97.
Yeah, please follow.
Subscribe and
Subscribe, like, thank
Like,
you.
share, subscribe